Good morning, Dr. Ali, and thank you for being here. We are Group 6, and today we will be presenting our project titled Modernizing Car Wash Practices, a strategic assessment of automation for Kakee Carwash. Our focus is a real-world case study of Kakee Carwash, a small but well-established manual car wash operation located in Parit Raja, Johor. With increasing demand for efficiency and sustainability in the service sector, we explored whether automation could be a viable upgrade for this business. Without further ado, let's begin.
The car wash industry is growing due to increasing global vehicle ownership. There are two types of car wash service, which are manual and automated. Manual car wash service require human labor. While they can provide personalized service, they often face some issues such as long cleaning times, high water and detergent usage, and inconsistent quality. To solve these problems, automation has become a global trend. Automation means the system operates with little or no human interventions. Today's modern car wash system use advanced features like computer control wash cycles and water recycling system. Automated systems are spreading across Asia, driven by urbanizations and rising car ownership. Our project focused on Kakee Carwash, a local car wash business located in Parit Raja, Johor. Kakee Carwash currently operates as a fully manual hand wash service. Vehicles are cleaned by a team of workers using the basic tools. With rising competition from automated systems, the business is facing pressure to modernize. This project aims to help Kakee Carwash transition to automation by analyzing its current operations and exploring suitable technology to improve efficiency, service quality, and sustainability. Kakee Carwash is currently facing a number of critical issues related to its manual operation. First, there is operational inefficiency. Each car wash takes 20 to 30 minutes and requires multiple workers, limiting the number of cars that can be washed per hour. This causes delay, especially during the peak hours, and reduces the customer turnover. Second, there is inconsistency in service quality. Because every wash depends on human efforts and technicals, results vary. Factors such as skill level and pressure to work quickly can lead to missed spots or even damage to vehicles. The next one is labor management and rising costs. Kakee Carwash rely heavily on manual labor, which leads to physical strain on workers and higher staffing costs. If any staff are absent, the business operations are immediately affected. Next, Kakee Carwash also lack of any forms of environmental sustainability. Each wash uses large volumes of water per car, and all of it is discharged into the drain along with soft oils and chemicals. This causes water waste and environmental pollution. The last one is competitive pressure. Other car wash in the area are adopting the automation. They offer faster service and better consistency. Without upgrading, Kakee Carwash will face the problem like lost the customer. The primary objective for this study is to evaluate and design a feasible automation plan for Kakee Carwash that improve operational efficiency, enhance service quality, and support environmental sustainability. The project pursues the following specific and subordinate objectives to support this goal. The first one is analyze current operations at Kakee Carwash. We collected data such as average service time, number of staff required, water and detergent usage, and quality of cleaning. This helps us identify the current pain points and inefficiency. The second one is identify suitable automation technology. We explore options like in-bed automatic washers, touchless and soft brush system, sensor-based vehicle detections, and digital payment kiosks. These technologies are selected to fit Kakee Carwash space and budget. The next one is benchmark best practice. We compare Kakee setup with modern car wash in cities like Kuala Lumpur and Singapore. This benchmark helps guide what technologies and services are most effective and expected by today's customers. The next one is assess benefits of automation. We estimated how automation can improve throughput, reduce water and chemical use, lower labor costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. We also calculated environmental benefits like water recycling and reduce wastewater discharge. The last objective is identify challenge and propose solutions. We look at potential obstacles such as high startup costs, staff returning needs, and space constraints. We propose solutions like phased implementations, financing options, and customer awareness campaign to ease the transition. Our project focused on automating Kakee Carwash manual operations. It covers washing and drying equipment, water recycling, workflow change, and eco-friendly cleaning agents. We also look at the customer upgrades like faster service, better quality, and digital payments. A SWOT analysis and benchmarking with other car wash help guide our recommendation.
So for the methodology, there will have 3 of the sections to discuss, and the first is the project design. Our project design is more focused on the manual operation in car wash, which named Kakee Carwash in Parit Raja. And through the observation, we have identified 4 of the key metrics, which are time per wash, water usage, labor input, and the number of car per hours. And the figure below is the process workflow happen in the Kakee wash, which start from the vehicle check-in, followed by pre-rinse, the soap application, the manual scrubbing, the final rinse, and the manual drying using the microfiber towels, and lastly for the customer payment. And next, for the data collection, they have 3 of the methods adopted in our study, which are the field observation. So through the observation, we have observed that there are 3 of the workers are involved per wash, and each car wash need to take around 40 minutes And next, during the observations, they have estimated 200 liters of the waters was used during the process of the car wash. And lastly, we have also observed the waiting time and the workflow during the peak hours periods in Kakee Carwash. And next, for the informal interview, we have interviewed the owner and also 3 of the workers across the shift. And we discussed about the challenge during the peak time and the opinion about the automation and the customer expectation. So last, for the method literature review, we have adopted to compare the manual and the automation system in the car wash. And we also collect the benchmark such as the water usage, the throughput, and the technology trend, IoT and AI in the car wash. And lastly, we have referenced the academic journals and the industrial report to literature review. So lastly, for the data analysis, we use the comparative benchmarkings to assess the current and the ultimate performance. And the table is the key metrics that we use to compare. The first is the water usage. So from the Kakee Carwash, we know that they have around the water used in Kakee Carwash is around 200 liters because they have the water tanks and the volume of the water tank is around 200 liters. After they have finished washing a car, they need to refill back the waters in the water tank. However, for the automatic car wash, they just only use average of 139 liters of waters during the process of car wash. And second, for the total service time, from Kakee Carwash, we know that the process of the car wash is 30 minutes and 10 minutes for waiting the previous car to finish washing. But for the automatic car wash, they have no waiting time and the process of the car wash is just around 3 to 5 minutes. So which means that they have more saving the time. And last, for the car per hours, from the Kakee Carwash, we know that Kakee Carwash can just handle 1 to 2 cars per hours and each of the car is washed using 30 to 60 minutes. But for the automatic car wash, the system can process up to 72 hours per hour and depending on the setup. So the table of the data show the potential saving in time, in water, and the labor through the automations. And these highlight the major opportunities to increase the throughput and the serving of the customer efficiency by adopting the automation.
My name is Theo Howard and my number matrix at P20258. So in this section, we will explore how automation can transfer its operation to become more efficient, eco-friendly, and customer-centered. In the moment, Kakee Carwash, the business operates manually, which means that the workers clean the vehicle by hand using high-pressure hoses, buckets of soapy water, and microfiber towel to dry off the vehicle after the cleaning process. Water use and management is another critical issue observed during the study. According to previous research, a typical car wash consumes an estimated 150 to 200 liters of water per vehicle. So depending on the duration and the intensity of rinsing and cleaning process. Based on on-site observation, researchers estimate that the Kakee Carwash uses approximately 200 liters of water per vehicle. Another issue observed by the researcher is the inconsistency in labor and service quality. So since the entire car wash process at Kakee Carwash is performed manually by workers, maintaining a consistent standard of service is challenging. Human performance is easily affected by external factors such as fatigue or weather condition. So for example, during hot weather, workers may rush to complete the job quickly, which often result in missed spot or incomplete cleaning. This highlights the difficulty of relying only on manual labor for quality control. To address this issue, automation presents several clear opportunities. A practical first step would be installing an in-bay automatic wash unit, which keeps the car stationary while a machine moves around it, completing the washing and drying process in under 10 minutes. This will significantly reduce waste time, improve consistency, and require fewer staff members to operate. So for future extension, a conveyorized tunnel system could be considered. Though it requires more space, it can clean over 100 cars in an hour by putting them through multiple cleaning stages, ideal for meeting high customer demand efficiently. Another major improvement involves water recycling system. So Kakee Carwash currently let all the used water drain away without treatment. The water system can reclaim and purify up to 80% of water using filters. So this change would drastically reduce both cost and environmental impact, aligning the business with sustainable practice. In addition to water saving, energy efficiency can be improved through smart technology. Variable frequency drive, VSD, motion sensor, and even solar panel can help to reduce electricity use, while Internet of Things IoT system can monitor equipment performance and flag maintenance issue in real time. On the customer side, automation opens doors to faster service and improved convenience. Features like cashless kiosk, QR payment, and RFID-based membership allow for quicker transaction and loyalty program. This system can also support mobile apps that let customers check wait times and schedule service, enhancing the overall experience. Importantly, automation doesn't mean losing human interaction. Existing workers can be trained to assist customers, operate machine, and manage value-added services such as interior cleaning or waxing. Automation also enables tiered service options like basic wash or premium packages with minimum extra labor. So lastly, by adopting automation and sustainability measures, Kakee Carwash become qualified for government support. In Malaysia, programs such as the Green Technology Financing Scheme, GTFS, and the Green Investment Tax Allowance (GITA) offer loans and tax relief to businesses that implement eco-friendly technologies. This reduces the financial burden of investing in automation while enhancing the company's green credentials. In summary, upgrading Kakee Carwash with automation is a strategic move that boosts speed, quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. A hybrid approach blending smart system with human support will preserve its personalized service while ensuring long-term growth and environmental responsibility.
Next, we'll explore the challenges of automation adoption for Kakee Carwash. First of all, its financial and investment challenges. The primary obstacle for Kakee Carwash is the significant upfront investment required for automation. This includes the cost of new machinery, infrastructure modifications, and water recycling systems. As a small business, securing financing can be difficult, especially with limited cash flow. Thus, careful planning is crucial to justify the return on investment, which is expected to take 5 to 7 years. Secondly, its technical and maintenance challenges. Automated systems comes with an increased technical complexity. The current staff lacks experience in mechanical or electronic systems, which means Kakee Carwash will need to invest in training or even hire specialized technicians. The risk of equipment malfunctions could lead to downtime, which in turn could impact revenue. Additionally, tropical climate possesses further challenges for the lifespan of the equipment. Thirdly, its space and infrastructure constraints. Retrofitting the current facility for automation involves space constraints. The wash base needs to be expanded, and infrastructure like water recycling tanks and drainage systems must be installed. These changes could disrupt daily operations, requiring special planning to minimize downtime and ensure regulatory compliance. Fourth, human factors. The shift to automation may cause employee concerns about job security. Some staff may feel threatened by the reduction in manual labor. Additionally, customers accustomed to personalized manual washes may be skeptical of automated systems. Addressing these concerns through employee training and customer education will be critical for a smooth transition. Fifth, its competition and market risk. The introduction of automation will place Kakee Carwash in a direct competition with other automated car washes in the region. Pricing and service differentiation will be a key to remain competitive. There's also the risk that a competitor could offer superior features that are more attractive, price, putting pressure on Kakee Carwash to continuously improve. And sixth, regulatory and compliance challenges. Automated systems comes with a regulatory scrutiny. Kakee Carwash will need to comply with occupational safety, environmental laws, and wastewater management regulations. Any future changes in regulations around water usage or wastewater treatment will require Kakee to stay up to date and adapt to its systems accordingly. Next up, we will dive into the SWOT analysis of automation for Kakee Carwash. Strengths. Automation brings significant operational efficiency, allowing Kakee Carwash to process more vehicles per hour and reduce customer wait times. The systems will also provide consistent service quality, enhancing customer satisfaction. Additionally, automation aligns with environmental sustainability, as the water recycling systems reduces consumption, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. A major weakness is the learning curve for the staff, who will need new skills for operating and maintaining the automated systems. The transition may cause initial inefficiencies and reliance on external technicians. The higher fixed costs, such as equipment, financing, and maintenance, also adds pressure on business, especially during slow periods. Moreover, the automated systems' lack of flexibility may push away customers who prefer personalized services. The great trend towards automated systems creates an opportunity for Kakee Carwash to attract new customers who value speed and efficiency. Emphasizing the eco-friendly aspects of the business, like water recycling, will appeal to a broader customer base, particularly the environmentally conscious individuals. Kakee can also leverage digital tools like online bookings and mobile payments to improve customer experience and convenience. The major threat is the increased competition from other car washes offering automated systems. Price wars could erode profit margins, especially if a competitor introduces superior technology or services. Economic downturns, however, could reduce discretionary spending, impacting car wash services. Additionally, technological advancements may make the current system obsolete, and future regulations could impose higher operational costs.
Next, for the conclusion, the first is improve operational efficiency. Currently, each manual car wash takes about 30 to 40 minutes. With automation, this can be reduced to just 6 to 10 minutes per car. This means the business can serve more customers per hour from only 1 or 2 to as many as 10 or 15 cars. This helps increase daily income and reduce waiting time for customers. Second, enhance service quality and consistency. Manual washing depends on the worker's skill and energy, which can lead to inconsistent results. But with automation, the machines will clean every car in the same consistent and effective way. This can improve customer satisfaction and build trust. Next, environmental sustainability. The manual method uses around 200 liters of water per car. With a water recycling system, this can be reduced by up to 50%. It's not only save water but also help reduce pollution from dirty run of water. This makes the business more eco-friendly.
So for the business competitiveness, automation makes the car wash look like more modern and professional. It's also allowed the business to offer new services like premium packages, fast washes, and loyalty programs. These features help Kakee Carwash compete with other car wash in the area. So next, the manageable challenge. Even though automation requires high investment and space, this challenge can be solved step by step. Staff can be trained and the system can be installed gradually. The business can also apply for support like government grants and green financing schemes. So for the strategy recommendation, in conclusion, automation is not just about using machine, it is a smart strategy for long-term growth. It helps the business improve its performance, protect the environment, and stay relevant in a changing industry. Thank you.